Experiencing frustrating disconnections with your HyperX Cloud Flight headset? You're not alone. These issues typically stem from the USB dongle or wireless signal interference. First, ensure the dongle is directly plugged into a USB 2.0 or 3.0 port on your PC or console, avoiding USB hubs. Check for physical obstructions or interference from devices like microwaves or routers. Try relocating the dongle closer to the headset or use a USB extension cable to improve line of sight. Next, confirm the headset is adequately charged. Low battery can cause signal instability. Now let's move on to software fixes. If hardware adjustments don't resolve the problem, software solutions are key. Download and install the latest HyperX Ingenuity software from the official HyperX website. Update the firmware for both the headset and the dongle. The latest version 4.2.1 includes improved signal stability and error correction. In Ingenuity, explore interference mitigation options if available. Windows and Mac OS users can also use the dedicated Troubleshooting app from HyperX. If problems persist, try a hard reset by holding the power button on the headset for 10 seconds. As a last resort, consider testing the headset on another device to isolate the issue and ensure it isn't isolated to just one environment.